In this video, we are going to explain how to use GCeasy REST API version. From the yCrash Cool Tools page, click on the Start button below the GCeasy REST API version. Copy and paste the given URL to post the HTTP request to the API endpoint. Select the garbage collection log file which you want to analyze using REST API version and click on Send button. The HTTP response will be sent back in JSON format. If our machine learning algorithms has detected any problems, then a problem flag will be set to true and the problem that has been detected is going to be presented for you here. All the metrics that you see in the Visual Web report is also available in this API payload response. The web report contains an URL. If you copy and paste this URL in your browser, you will be seeing the visual report of this API. You can see the report from yCrash Calendar dashboard as well. When you click on the particular date, it will show all the incidents reported on that day. The API request that we sent is now showing up here as the incident report. If you click on that, it will redirect you to the root cause analysis report page where you can find the issues in your application. When you click on the GC report icon from the left side navigation bar, the report which we got from the API will be opened. Thank you for watching this video and follow us for more updates.